call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are pulling like the tide. And the match that drew a spark was a single stolen kiss. And if that ain't love, I don't know what is.
Hi everyone, I hope everyone is having a fantastic day today here in Georgia. It's beautiful, and today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookie bars, and it's a real easy recipe, and I think that if you make it, you probably have just about all of these ingredients in your house. And so let me get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding in my brown sugar, and this recipe will be in the description below with the exact measurements. Let me move my spray baking dish out of the way. Okay, the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to dump in my vanilla flavoring and my eggs. This is 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavoring. And it was 2 cups of brown sugar. I'm going to mix my eggs a little bit in with this brown sugar because I don't want them to get cooked when I add my butter in. I think it's cool enough, but I'm not sure. So I'm just going to stir this together right quick. I think this is going to be a good little fall cookie. I'm supposed to meet the family some today. We're going out and eating. Going out and eating? That doesn't sound right. We're going out to eat. And I think Addison will really enjoy one of these cookie bars. Okay, so now then I'm going to be adding in my butter. And this is 3/4 cup of unsalted butter. Okay, so now then I'm gradually going to add in my flour, my salt, and my baking powder and soda in this bowl right here. Okay, so then I'm going to mix all this together. Mix the baking powder and salt and soda in with my self-rising flour. No, all-purpose flour. It's too early in the morning for me, I think, today. Trying to get a head start because it starts getting warm later on in the day today here in Georgia. And I did already shift my flour. Okay, I think that's all incorporated in there right. Okay, so now then I'm going to gradually put this into my wet ingredients. And it said stir this with a wooden spoon so you don't have to get out your sand mixer or your beater if you don't want to. So I'm going to bring up my 9 by 13 inch spray baking dish here and put my cookie batter in. I'm just going to spread this out. It turned out to be a little bit thick. I'm going to get another spoon. To get this off with. I put my other spoon over there, but I don't know if there was anything in that cup or not. Okay. Okay, this is 1.5 cups of milk chocolate chips. So I'm just going to spread them on top. I also like to make magic cookie bars. I've made them before and we really love them also. So I'm going to try these out and see how they do. Also, if I have any baking to do in the summer, I like to do it early in the morning before it gets too hot. Okay, I'm not going to put the rest of these chocolate chips on. I think this right here is going to be enough. This is a 9 by 13 inch pan, and my oven is heating to 350 degrees, and I'm going to cook these for about 24 minutes. The recipe says 24 to 28, and so then I'll be back. These cookie bars really smell good, don't they, Calvin?
They sure do, Marie.
I only had to let mine cook for 20 minutes, and I cooked in my oven at 325 because that's just the way my oven is. And so they turned out really good. I'm going to have to let them cool though before I cut them, and so I'll be back when they cool. Hi everyone, I'm back. My cookie bars have been cooling now. They're still just a tad bit warm on the bottom, but I think they're good enough to do the taste test. And I'm a little tired because we just came back from eating at our favorite Mexican restaurant with the family, and we sure enjoyed ourselves. It was nice to see the grandkids, and we really enjoyed being with them. And so I was hoping that these would get done so that I could carry them out there to eat with us, and I'll let Addison have one, but she's going to come by later and get one. So anyway, I'm going to do the taste test now. I hope it comes out good. Yeah, I did. Okay, that's what it looks like. I'm going to do, maybe I won't get crumbs all over me. That is really good. It's really delicious. It tastes like a good cookie bar with chocolate chips on them. I really think that Addison's really going to love these. So I guess I'm going to close my video out now. So y'all do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see you on the next video. And I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall.